Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you need help with GrubHub order or account issue, let's explore all the ways you can contact GrubHub support quickly and effectively. So first method, phone support. For the fastest service, call GrubHub's main customer care line at 1-877-585-7878, staffed 24/7. You can also try 877-951-2500 if asked for order specific help. Be ready to provide your full name, order number, and contact info. Second method is live chat, which is mostly recommended. If you prefer typing instead of calling, GrubHub offers a 24/7 live chat feature on both their app and website. For that, open your app, go to your account section, tap on the Need Help link at the top right. Here, simply tap on any queries section and it will lead you to chat. And tap Chat with Us. Here you will be able to chat with the care agent. You will enter your name, email, phone number, which is completely optional, and briefly describe your issue. Third method will be email support. For less urgent issues, you can email help_me@grubhub.com. Corporate accounts should reach out to GrubHub for work@grubhub.com for business related inquiries. If you prefer social medias, reach out via Twitter @GrubHub or send a message on Facebook or Instagram. Many customers get speedy replies that way. If chat or calls fail, try again during off-peak hours for shorter wait times. Use the in-app help requesting a chat via a different order and escalate via social media if needed. Remember, some Reddit users say certain order issues like late delivery refunds won't always offer contact until a system threshold is met. And have these informations ready when using chat or phone. First, your order number. Second, restaurant location or zip. Third, exact issue like missing items or wrong order or fees. And fourth, screenshots if available. This helps reps solve your case faster. And there you have it, every way to reach GrubHub customer support in 2025. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.